अस्सलाम वालेकुम ऑल फ्रेंड्स। आज हम आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रहे हैं फ्रेजल वर्ब्स किचन। बॉयल अवे, cause liquid to evaporate completely by boiling. For example, the soup almost boiled away. Bolt down, eat a large amount of food very quickly. For example, he bolted down his lunch and rushed back to work. Cut off, remove something by cutting it. For example, you should cut the tops of the carrot first. Cut out, shape or form by cutting. For example, she cut several pieces of pastry out. Cut up, cut something into small pieces. For example, he cut the pie up into little pieces. Eat out, eat in a restaurant instead of at home. For example, do you feel like eating out tonight? Eat up, eat all of something. For example, eat up, we have got to go out soon. Fry up, cook something by frying. For example, let's fry some chicken up for dinner. तो फ्रेंड्स, उम्मीद करते हैं ये इन्फॉर्मेशन आपके लिए इंतहाई अहम होगी। इस तरह की मजीद मालूमाती वीडियो हासिल करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक कर दीजिए ताकि आने वाली तमाम तर इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस आप तक बासानी और टाइम पर पहुंच सकें। थैंक्स एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़।